Grafting. What is this grafting? Grafting is a technique that joins two plants and combine the characteristic of both the plants. Whatever plants you just want which belong to same family, you can just combine together and can get the new plant of your desired interest. For that, we will take two plants. One part of the plant is attached to the soil, that is called as a stalk. Another part of the plant has got a shoot, that is called secant. Both combine together, wrap together and grow into one individual plant, which show the characteristic of both the plant. So this is the stalk and this is the secant. Okay, it just joined over here, just wrapped around the edges, and after few days it just grow into like a one individual plant, which shows the characteristic of both these plants. So this grafting has got various techniques. So what are the various techniques in that? The first technique is bud grafting. What is called bud grafting? We just cut the T incision in the bark of a plant. Okay, just a T incision. Another T incision cut from a desired part of a plant with a bud. So you just keep inside this particular T and just wrap it along with a tape. Tightly wrap it along with the tape. You just band it with a tape. So after few days it just grow, this bud will just start to grow, which shows the characteristic of both. So here this bark which is attached to the soil is called as a stalk, and this small part of a plant with the bud is called as a secant. Both are just combined together with the tape and just tightly wrapped, and after that this bud will just start developing a new plant. So that is about bud grafting. The second grafting method is approach grafting. Here what happened, both the stalk and the secant will be attached to the soil. Both the plants should have a branch of same thickness. So both the branch should be of same thickness. So both the plants are brought together. Both the branches are being sliced. Just cut into small slice and just attach like this. It just sliced and just get closer together and just wrapped with the normal tape. And after few days, it just starts to grow. After that, whichever plant you want, you can just cut as a take as a stalk. Another plant you can take as a secant. So over here when you just cut and see, this will be the stalk and this will be the secant. Then afterwards it just combine together. From here this green color part will just start developing, and after that that newly formed bud will show the characteristic of both the plant. So that is called approach grafting. So in approach grafting, what is the unique feature? Both the secant and the stalk are attached to the soil in starting point. After that, when they just brought together, and after this grafting is over, only after that only we'll just cut out and just make a new plant. And third method of grafting is tongue grafting. Here what happens is, again both the secant and stalk of same diameter are just brought. It just cut in a wedge shape. So here you can just clearly see over both the stalk and the secant of same diameter, and just cut into the same angle, brought together. After this is tightly tied, then wrapped with the band-aid. Okay, after just given the suitable temperature, it just grow into one individual plant. Then the next grafting method is crown grafting. Here what happens is, the stalk, that is the bottom region attached to the soil, will be very bigger in size when compared to the secant. So these are the secant. These secants are just cut in like a nail like structure. This is like almost like a wedge, sharp nail like structure, which is made to pierce inside the stalk, and afterwards it just wax itself, attach itself. So from this one stalk we can just attach many secant. Then all these secant will just grow like in like a new branch. For example, is a fully grown crown grafting method. Then the last method is wedge grafting. Here what happened, a stalk has been selected, it just cut, and a normal secant has been selected, it also cut and just been inserted. The secant has been cut into a wedge shape and inserted into a stalk, and after tightly wrapped, and after few days, so this is a method, is a normal wedge grafting. After few days you can just see both are just fused together and just act like a one plant. So that is about wedge grafting. Is this grafting methods are done in all the plants? It's commonly seen in plants of apple and citrus family. And normally in our country, in our place, we can easily see grafting method in one other plant. What other plant is? mango tree. So most of the mangoes now you're just getting is grafting. You might have commonly used a term called ottu variety. Ottu variety na ida ottu variety. A stalk and a secant are just attached together. That's called grafting. Thank you.